Makam Hospital and Research Institute on Information Center Kuriji Thaipat Mai Thailaina athon October tamru na khat Thursday lauthon Kurui Wang Chachat Kurui kahauna gynecologist tong OPD naidat puni Building champion together to Mailadun Bangkhaw None District Badminton Association Rui Kai Bangsulauna First Naga Hill District Badminton Tournament 2024 High October Chaku Khuri Kahona November Kanai Ngana Longmai Khawnai Mai Chamkonjang Badminton Courts None District Khaw Tat Kaina Bame Lanpat Lo Mai Kamung Khotai D John Sa D4 None District Akani RH Abel Convener NHDBT Kanai Rui Kamung Bampi Akani Chakwang Su Mai Gin Su Na Kamung Gwang Kazaw Lokane Tournament Khotai None Tamenglong Senapati Ukrul Chandel Kamjong Akani Technopol District Khuri Players Paithup Ru Rui Gwang Kazaw Lobame Tournament Khotai Dimsui Lunggon Mai Event Secretary NDBA General Secretary Ganrai Lungkap Mai NDBA President Napoleon Rongmei DFO Kamjong Akani Bai Bai Mai Official Azu Rui Kadam Gwangla Chap Labame Nitong knockout tournament ko hay Naga Hill District 7 Khori players kasing na Gwangla na kadam labame Tournament ko tay open category Khori 65 years category ngan nanay bame. CK Global Chamv mitwang reports king samlo ko.
CK Global jauna ba mego neta 20 we ataw ai bauna ba me hai Tengkonjang Higher Secondary School dang ko nai mai Tengkonjang Badminton Court None District tong kabam tonge asai hai rai mai the first Naga Hill District Badminton Tournament 2024 tong None District Badminton Association releng lo na sai hai kumna takai na bamte dula night opening ceremony lan plo konte na date jaine nai ne thup hai kumna takai puni building champions together to mai tong moto khani theme Bangkhaw None District Badminton Association roi organize lo na takai na bam mitong badminton tournament hai district sanai hill district lang sanai hai gwang tang na bamte players hai me zu rina gwang na jimang to re ka hau na taw ngan melong kha kumna takai na bamme kage na mitong updates me goi na kumna jaw sap lo kho hojik se ai badminton court manung da leire aduga hojik ki tournament asigi commissioner ai tare maga wari sabigi tanjap pang se yam nungai jari oja gi mi hana habiro
ai mi na royal ai channel dagi ni ai hojik manipur badminton association gi grade 1 state umpire grade 1
state umpire grade 1 ye oina leijari ko yam nungai jari hojik se tournament asiga players ke amuk ti suruk yage
altogether 310 entries 310 entries le from 7 district from 7 Naga Hill districts 310 entries the main motive of this Naga Hill district badminton tournament is to bring up championship together. The motto is bringing up champions together. Akoi angang sing se mathangi next level ko hoji akoi na adum sana bse mathang next level higher level da moi thokpa yana ba adum akoi ki ground level have tare ko akoi local level dagi how dradi moi mathang chat pangam moi aduna moi mathangi next level chat pangam da ba sidi how ngai ki akoi mayam district mayam si punjil laga si tournament ji how do kabani every year tawingai singani
Singani handa kisna ahan mani ado expectation laire next year should come lokada ado next year kumsi gidi none da tawre ado mathang da kadai da karamba district ta tawgani
mathang gi district se akoi tanadri adu akoi managers meeting hamraga mathang gi district kadai da host kana host tawni have se khang
adu di last oina players mayam da kari message spinning e jana
players mayam da ina message spinning badi hayana sanasi game spirit jauna sanasi akoi sanabne haraga pangsa sanabana tama ka niyom chumna sanaba hausi hana digi akoi na sanaba se dum sanati sanaba adugo niyom yaudana sanaba ko aduna kra training su taw mathau tai anga si su coaching loba tai adu coaching mak lodra su kra hi kan di YouTube tu su loi lere ko aduna anga singna sananing bu tamning ba adum YouTube tagi su tamba yare aduga kra mathang gi next level sanaba ngamdaba ko adum kra training to biba anga singu training to biba coaching to biba aduga anga singu game spirit yauna sanaba aduga niyom chumna sanaba ko adu haini
ado ngarang nungdang digi sanaba si hawkre hojik phaba adum lepan naidana sanari asige minung sida player singa manakta ojagi sum yengma matamna ko asimadi player simadi laukhat pa yai haibdi laibra aduga ama ani hum laibra haibdo
yengba the players sing di le yam le ko next level power sanba ngamba yam le adu top di yengo akona koi na tribal singi players sing se coaching yaw to be the moi di sanai ba ko without coaching they play adu power the shoe moi preference sanai ba ko
interest
interest yam le adu coaching yaw to power the moi asi sanab se yam phajana sanai adu khallo moi na coaching yaw ba taragdi yamu wang na sanagira ko aduna moi se plena coaching to bi ba adu coaching yaw to power the moi yam phajana sanai ba ko aduna managers ko gi district ki buching buching dai na hiding budi angang sing je phem coaching to bi ba aduga coaching mo kha da phem to bi di moi phem chana ba level power chana ba ngamguri ha se ai kha je koi angang sing je.
Welcome to the first edition of Naga Hill District Badminton Tournament 2024. This event is exclusively organized for the Naga Hill District to uplift the player. By the lack of infrastructure, None District has bid to organize this event so that we can bring up our own players to state level, maybe national level, even international level. We are hopeful. Despite the lack of so many infrastructure, we are hopeful and we are aiming to continue this event next year. Hopefully, we will discuss the affiliation of this association as well. This tournament is the first of its kind, and we are hoping that it will inspire more upcoming tournaments in the future as well. And we would like to request people to come and witness this event as well. Initially, we planned this so that we can inspire people, we can make people more aware about this game, and to include more young people into this beautiful game. So come witness this event at None District. Thank you.
Asai khoriting kumrek dai hu thang roi rap thai na Manipur ti hai kasyap lo tong khoni thai intaw Manipur khau pat ba mai reng hai pat makbam khoni nu we bot asek phang khang na rei Manipur pang thang rei illegal immigrants gwang mai ka gwaita zawsin chui lo mangna akhani tan chin thaw lo mangna ani rei ka haw ma mai ka thiak azu ani state Manipur khau intaw pat na bam tong ngai illegal immigrants ka gwai rei ti pat ba mai ka haw ma mai ka thiak azu ti hai thing khang suba mai aitiri masai ka gwai rui lu lo puibam subam the akhadda rei Thabal District Hospital hai Medical College in Gwanpat khang rei liang mai priority ti bam the tuna Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh risa kan the mitwang lat bam ka gwai hai dulanai Directorate of Health Services Manipur akhadni State Health Mission National Health Mission Manipur kanai rui kariu na leng lo mai Kangabok Khonai mai Thabal District Hospital Kathan Critical Care Block Kasyam Kang Foundation Stone Dik mai kamung khau CM N Biren Singh Rui Sakan Tuange Prime Minister Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission Bang khau Crore Ru Sarok Inbu Kaina Kasyam ni mai kalwan kanai inkau mai kai Critical Care Block hai New Delhi Khonai mai All India Institute of Ayurveda khau that kai kan mai bai mai project azu kai than ku mai akhani foundation stone dik mai kamung khau Prime Minister Narendra Modi rui video conferencing khau foundation stone lanpat lokan mai khau tai CM Biren le MLA asak kazau na lanpat lokan nei
another way the Prime Minister always looking to
Among Khotai Works Minister Govindas Konthausam, Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Animal and Husbandry Ministry Kasim Vashum, Manipur Pollution Control Board Tong Chairman Dr. Usam Devan, MLA Tihais Sati, MLA Sapam Kunja Kishore, MLA Dingu, MLA KH Ibomcha Akhani, State Akhani, District Tuang Kage Naima Official Azure Kamung Kwang Kazao Lokane. Cham nga lau the